Okay, this wasn't difficult, just a monotonous pain in the butt. So let's do our usual. Let's see. Limit over. Oh, sorry, I'm a bit slow right now. Okay. As h approaches 0, we have this function x plus h minus f of x. Okay. Now let's see. I'm sorry, my brain's not working right now. So let's plug it in. Very simple. X cubed. So this is x plus h cubed. I find this to be the pain in the ass part of distributing this x plus h minus x cubed over h. And if there's a faster way to do this, I would appreciate someone telling me the little shortcut. So now let's distribute this out. So we have basically going to have x plus h, x plus h. Oh, and let's not forget our limit notation. So keeping everything correct. So let's put these two functions together. This is not going to be as hard as the last one. So this is going to end up being. I know this is not hard. I could do this in my head. X squared plus 2hx plus h squared. And let me put this x plus h in front here to simplify. That's my friend who's calling me, but I will ignore his phone call because you guys are more important. To quote from Sal, which I actually personally look up to. So now we're going to go ahead and distribute this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now I find this to be horribly monotonous, but it is the process we must do. Okay, so now let me just I don't even want to, so let's look at this. It's going to be x cubed, right, plus 2hx squared, and then we have x h squared at the end, right? And now, so basically we just finished off the first part. Now we're doing the h. So now we have to do plus hx squared and 2h squared, right? X and plus h cubed. So now we've distributed that. That wasn't so bad. X to the fifth power is going to be the real pain in the butt. And I despise the person who gave me that assignment because it is very monotonous. So for now, let's just start canceling stuff out, right? So here, x cubed cancels out with this negative x cubed. Actually, that's it, really. Hey, how did I get... don't tell me I screwed up somewhere. Okay, let's look at whatever mistake I just made. Kx cubed is 2hx plus... Okay, minor mistake, just forgot an addition sign. Okay, did I make any other detrimental mistakes? 1, 2, 3. Trying to see. I think plus sign's supposed to go there too. Alright. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that matches up what we're supposed to have. So let's go back to where I left off. So those cancel out. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take an h out. We're going to basically factor an h out. So let me put parentheses here. So if I factor an h out, I got rid of this h here. I factored out one of these h's here. Took out this h. One of these h's are gone. I took one from here, so what's left is 2. So now, okay, so that was gone. That's gone. And of course, this is inside parentheses here. H on the outside. We took out that one. Took out that. Took out that. Took out that. And replaced that 3 with a 2. Alright. So now, we're basically capable of crossing this h out with the denominator. We just canceled that out. And now all we have left, so we got rid of our fraction entirely. Ooh, have to cut this out of there. So now we have now we can plug h in, now that this is a polynomial and it's within the domain of as h approaches 0. So we can just plug it in now. So let me just go ahead and say, alright, so this is going to be 0, and this is going to be 0, this is going to be 0. Let's zoom out. So hope everyone can still see. So let's cancel out what we're getting rid of. So that's going to turn into 0, that's going to turn into 0, that's going to turn into 0. So we have 1x squared, right, plus 2x squared. So our final answer is going to be, let me get rid of all this. Ugh, I just messed up. Let me copy and paste that again. So, there we go. So we got rid of that, we got rid of that, we got rid of that, and we have 3x squared left, and that is our derivative. Alright, so hope you understood that, and I will see you in x to the power of 5.